Sometimes I think the producer's not so bright. I'm absolutely positive the production assistant them not so bright. But our producer rope in a production assistant is man named Clive. Worse than bright. So in this game of heads and shoulders, knees and cones, we're to touch the body part he instructs us to. But when he says cones, me just go, bam, I'm a win. One love.
No.
No, sir?
Nice try.
Clive say yes. All right, so come, Clive. Although we have a little pose that might not be the nicest pose on television, but me could deal with it. All right,
Wait,
Clive.
am I too close to the cone?
We're supposed, what's the word? Equidistance?
Yes.
All right. Yeah? I'm very ready.
Go!
The man not said nothing.
No, you said ready.
The man said lose that point.
Ow, dude.
No, well, hospital for the 2 away, done.
You're roughy, man.
Next one. Steve. One love.
Stop.
Medic. One love.
He didn't get it through.
Of course
he
it did.
Whatever.
It went right through your
It
legs.
did not go through my leg. Jody, did that go through my leg? It did not go through my leg.
It did.
It did not.
It did.
It did not.
It did. It
No, I need a replay.
did. It did.
It did not.
It did.
It went to my right
Two
hand.
went to.
No, it did not.
No, it did. It did.
It didn't.
I am not robbing you, man.
Jody, did you record it?
Thank you.
Play
it
back, Jody.
Come. Let's go. Come again, sir.
All right. Shoulder. Knee. Shoulder. Head. Cone.
And it's the same thing. Thank you very much. Tell her again for me, please.
Oh.
That 1-0 to Neville.
Ah.
Ready again.
Never gonna use one hand no, because this finger I mash up.
Oh, sorry.
Knee. Shoulder.
Mind my head.
Cone.
You know, I'm not play no more.
1-1. All right. Ready again.
My finger hurt.
Mine too, but it's two I mind you mash up.
All right. Here we go.
I
Heads.
don't, excuse me, never big head is just too far over my side and he's going to bump
One
me
step
at
back,
some
Neville.
point.
What?
Ready again.
Where's the while ago?
1 step.
Well, she must make one step too.
Yes.
Your
know
head
what
is bigger
equidistant
than
mean?
mine.
Fair is fair.
Okay, ready.
You're closer to me.
I can't, my limbs are shorter
Higher
than
drop.
yours.
All right. Ready. Head.
How limbs reach night now?
How your hands?
Knees. Shoulder.
What are you doing?
Knees. Knees. Head. Cone.
Mama, no,
We
mama.
had 2-1.
I thought you were going to say.
Oh, she get 2-1.
It went through.
Oh, boy.
Ready again.
You ready or are you not ready?
All right, watch me and you.
No, me not playing.
No,
No,
watch me
no,
and
I
you
don't
now.
appreciate threats on national TV.
No, watch me and you. Everybody watch me and she. Come,
Neville zoned in.
come.
I'm a
Knee,
little
head,
scared.
shoulder, cone.
Producer,
Come,
wait,
over
whoa. But
Knee,
you just gave yourself
head,
an own goal.
shoulder,
Wait, Clive, did
yeah,
you see
goal.
that? That was an own goal. That's my point. That's my point. No, write it down.
You're
Hold
already,
on.
you're already leading.
No, write it down.
Them say,
That's
put
my
it through-
point.
Oh,
It had to go through the leg. And
No,
it did.
right,
but he
and
put
it
it
did
through
go
his
through the
whole
leg.
foot.
Did it go through the leg?
So give me my point.
Hold on, no, who put it through the leg?
It's
Thank
called
you.
an own goal, dummy.
No, but you never say Simone leg.
Clive.
You say, no, all this,
Clive.
the game say put it through the legs. They never say oofa leg.
You know,
if
so
I put it through Joe, the leg,
as
I
a
win.
football coach, you score on yourself and you're going to tell me say I mustn't get the point?
No, the rules are the game. That's say put it through the legs. They never say Simone legs.
Never, you put it through your own leg.
Come
So
again.
we're still at 2-1. to
2-1,
Simone.
see me. Come.
You're still leading.
What?
Yeah, man.
No, but that is not, that is Steve.
Already again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shoulders.
Yeah.
Head.
Yeah.
Knees.
Yeah.
Shoulder.
Yeah.
Head.
Yeah.
Head.
Yeah.
Knee.
Yeah.
Shoulder.
Yeah.
Cone.
Oh!
No, something not do this. Aye.
No points. Oh, Simone is ready.
It went through his legs.
Did?
Me done.
Come,
Me
is
go
that?
sit
Come,
down.
me I wear gloves.
Me
That
play the
3-1.
rest of the game by
You
myself.
only have 2 left. Neville, try
It's
to make
supposed
the
to
tie.
be 4-1.
No, it's 3-1.
What are you
It's
doing? What are
3-1.
you doing?
It's 3-1.
What are you doing with this corner, man?
It's our gloves, because my
No.
finger hurt me.
No.
Gosh, I know you just...
I
have a
create you
chance
with
to
my
tie it, Neville.
fingernails. Sorry, no, man. It was a mistake.
You need these
Gosh.
last 2.
All right.
Come.
Yeah, come.
Oh, my God.
Come now.
Ready.
I feel like a sumo wrestler.
Come
the
now.
only thing that's missing is those
Position.
suits. And I
I'm
always
in the
put us
position, you know what?
Head. Knee. Shoulder. Head.
Wait,
Head.
wait. Open up your foot before I make you open up your foot, and you don't gonna like it if I do it. Come.
Knee. Shoulder. Head. Knee. Shoulder. Cone.
I can't no. She win. Me can't this again. She win.
So it's a 4-1 win
Serious.
to Simone.
Champ is here. Give me a champion song.
You know?
Spectre.
wait.
That's why you mustn't thief, because thief
No,
never
that's-
prosper.
You know, them always say that she must be a gracious loser. But me know a gracious thing.
Happy.
We'll
We'll be right back. Stay with us to see how courts plans to
resign.
ring in
Bridget, good
the
to
back
meet
to
you.
school season.